Listen to me, son, listen. I know you're only 13 years old, but death is a part of life when you live on a farm.
A raised missing from a pup! She was the best dog a boy could ask for!
I know, but son, she was very sick. She was very sick, and it's better that you put her down than some stranger.
I guess you're right.
You, try not to think about killing that dog. Son, whatever for you is the opposite of killing a dog, think about that. Petting a dog. Petting a dog that's still alive.
Hey there, neighbors. Listen, we actually found your dog Missy in our backyard, so we took the liberty of putting her back in your yard. But the thing is, we can't find our dog Dolly. It's so strange. Those two dogs look so much alike. But anyways, let us know if you see Dolly, okay? We love that dog. Okay, bye.
Well, son, you killed the wrong dog.
I must have been crying so hard I couldn't shoot straight. I saw a dog sleeping out back.
Hey, listen to me. Don't you go giving yourself a complex because you killed a dog that would still be alive now if it weren't for you.
Complex? I've killed a perfectly healthy dog.
Well, if there's a lesson to be learned here, I think it's not to kill a dog while you're crying.
I can't believe I killed the wrong dog.
Yeah, it's going to be tough to even look at dogs now, son. And dogs, you know, they're everywhere.
You told me to kill that dog.
Yes, but you could have stood up to me the way I stood up to my dad when he told me to shoot our sick dog. Not killing that dog was the day I became a man.
You never told me that was an option.
Oh, it's such a shame. You're going to have to kill two dogs. Otherwise, you killed a healthy dog for nothing.
I put Missy down. It's done.
Dad! Okay, so my friend Daniel was all like, oh my gosh, your dog Missy, she's got rabies. She's always foaming at the mouth. And I was like, no, Daniel, she doesn't have rabies. I just put shaving cream all over her mouth because I'm trying to teach our dog how to shave. Anyway, bye!
Bad news, yes, you killed two healthy dogs. Good news, Lizzie didn't have rabies.
Those are both bad news.
If only your sister had come in just a second earlier. I really shouldn't get this.
Hey, neighbors, is this a bad time? Listen, I just wanted to mention that our dog Dolly, that looks like your dog Missy, is extremely pregnant. So, you know, just like check it out. Anyways, we love the crap out of that dog. Bye.
Oh my God! I killed a whole litter of puppies!
Yeah, son! Unborn puppies! Unborn puppies!
They're gonna call me horrible nicknames in school!
Oh, yeah, like dog killer or... No, it's gonna be dog killer. To be fair, son, lots of serial killers started off killing animals.
Just because I killed a couple of dogs through some terrible circumstances doesn't mean I'm gonna become a serial killer.
Only time will tell.
Dad, I just need you to tell me everything's gonna be okay.
Listen to me, son. The important thing is that when all is said and done, you're able to look yourself in the mirror and know in your heart of hearts you killed a lot of dogs.
Mama! Is everything okay here? Mom, why don't you give us a minute?
All right.
Thank God you're home. Mama, I killed a dog today and then...
Oh, I know. This morning when I let you drive the truck and I told you you that you hit that pothole? You killed a really cute dog.
God damn it!
Teenagers.